During the early stages, as you may know, all types of baby fish grow best on a diet of live feed such as Artemia. Fish larvae eat brine shrimp readily because the movement of the brine shrimp entices them to eat. Brine shrimp are good for fish larvae because they are high in protein and easily digestible. They also can last hours in the tank, giving the larvae more continuous food source. So, preparing brine shrimp or Artemia are fairly simple and it's easy to make brine shrimp or Artemia on your own. You need 2 1-liter bottles, an air pump, a lamp, flexible airline tubing, rigid airline tubing, brine shrimp eggs, baking soda, and salt. You can use almost all type of salt for this process. First, carefully cut the bottom 1 to 2 inches off of one bottle and discard the bottom piece. This will be inverted to become the reservoir to hatch the brine shrimp in. Brine shrimp hatch best when they are continuously circulating, so the inverted bottle is a good shape because there's no bottom surface for the shrimp eggs to settle on. So, then you're going to carefully cut the bottom 6 inches off of the second bottle and discard the top piece. This second bottle will become the base for the hatchery. Then we're going to put the 2 bottles together so the second bottle support the first in upside down position, and if you like, you can tip them together for extra strength. Cut a length of rigid airline tubing to roughly the same height as the reservoir bottle. And attach a length of flexible airline tubing to it. Attach the other end of flexible airline tubing to your air pump. The rigid airline tubing should be placed into the reservoir. Fill the brine shrimp hatchery about 4/5 of the way filled with warm tap water. There's no need to use dechlorinator for this process. Turn on the air pump and add 1 tablespoon of salt, and just a pinch of baking soda. The baking soda helps keep a stable pH. Now you can add your brine shrimp or Artemia eggs and make sure you buy eggs with the best hatching rate you can afford. Turn on your lamp and position it directly over the hatchery. This is done because a brine shrimp need a constant light source in order to hatch, and it also helps heat the water so they can hatch faster. If kept at 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the brine shrimp should all hatching about 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can see they have hatched because the color of the bottle has turned orange from the color of the brine shrimp themselves. At this point, you can turn off the air pump and allow the hatching brine shrimp to settle down. If you position the light source so that it's aimed right at the bottom, the brine shrimp will settle down faster because they attract to the light. For harvesting the Artemia, just simply use 2 nets and then pour it inside the net. The net have 2 different mesh, which is the upper one is larger and the below one is smaller, made from fine nylon, which is suitable for delicate species like brine shrimp and small larvae. rinse the brine shrimp to make sure that the hatch one will go below at the nylon net, and the seeds, which is unhatched one, will be stuck at the upper one. And then we put the hatch one inside another bucket. And to ensure that we have the maximum amount, we repeat the process again. The reason why we rinse all the brine shrimp is to make sure that we get rid the salinity, so that when we put inside the tank that have larvae in it, the salinity will not disrupt the water quality inside the larvae tank. And there you have it, fresh Artemia for your beloved hungry larvae.